A new study links poor sleep to brain health risks, highlighting the dangers of sleeping too much or too little. Research by Yale School of Medicine found a correlation between sleep habits and markers indicating stroke and dementia risk. Nearly 40,000 people's brain images were analyzed to observe how sleep duration affects brain health. These sleep patterns are associated with white matter hyperintensities and reduced fractional anisotropy, predicting stroke and dementia. Data from the UK Biobank showed that both excessive and insufficient sleep contribute to poor brain health indicators. The study emphasizes the need for sleep habit adjustments in middle age to protect against future brain health issues. A new study links poor sleep to early signs of brain health decline, increasing stroke and dementia risks. Sleeping less than 7 hours or more than 9 hours nightly is deemed suboptimal, based on American Heart Association guidelines. Suboptimal sleep is tied to brain aging markers and small vessel disease, impacting the brain's structural health. The study suggests adjusting sleep habits could be a key factor in maintaining brain health into older age.